brewing on today, by the way?
So this is a 10-litre Brewmeister. It's not mine, it's one of the guys from the shop, his home kit. I've got a 50-litre Brewmeister at home. I started off with the 20, started making beer, everyone loved it, so then realised I needed a 50 to keep up with demand. So in the brew pub we're going to have a 500 litre. Look, it's a great bit of kit, it's small footprint, everything's done in one vessel, easy to clean, you can do step mashes if you want to. I find for some beers it is helpful to do a step mash. Not many other systems allow you to do that. Easy to clean at the end of the day, pack up and put away. They make award-winning beer. A lot of people that brew on a Brewmeister do get very good results with their beer. So 500 litre in the brew pump, I'll probably be able to get 700 to 750 litres out of that. So it's called a 500 litre system, but that's using it within the recommended range of malt, but you always push it as much as you can. So I'll get 750 litres out of that brew pub, and I think that's good for the space. Every square metre is an extra bum on a seat, and it's a sale I'm not getting. So you want your footprint of your brewery to be as small as possible.
I'm a massive fan of the Brewmeister. I have a 20 litre Brewmeister at home and I love it because it's just rock solid. I think I've had mine now for about maybe 3 or 4 years and it's as good as the day I bought it. It's so reliable, nothing is broken on it. It's been really cool. This particular model here is the 10 litre Brewmeister. This is the smallest as they come, I think, if around. Yes, okay, good. Because we've seen all the sizes today, which is really cool. We've got 10 to 20. Ian from Mountain Goat's brewing on his 50 litre one that they use over at Mountain Goat. Then we saw the 500 litre one, and in behind the bar, if you walk into the shop, there's actually a 1,000 litre Brewmeister sitting in there. And there's such a good system. Even if you're doing, small scale commercial stuff and just starting out, they're really good because they're pretty competitively priced, and they're just plug and play. They just work, and that's what's so good about them. That's why I like it.
Every year in May, hundreds of beer-related venues right across Melbourne and Victoria take part in Good Beer Week. Grain and Grape has long been associated with this festival. The past few years has seen us go with a carnival theme. I guess that explains Hendo's hat. During our Carnival of the Brew, we get a bunch of professional brewers together with savvy homebrewers to demonstrate all the different ways you can make beer at home. It's a fun day. See the description below for more details.